Level up your gameplay with the HyperX Cloud III gaming headset, delivering immersive sound and crystal-clear communication. Designed for all-day comfort, it keeps you focused and ready for every match. What's in the box? In the box, you find the HyperX Cloud III gaming headset, detachable microphone, USB dongle, USB-C cable, and user manual. How to wear. Wear the headphones with the L logo on your left ear and the R logo on your right ear. Adjust the length of the headband should fit comfortably. How to pair. The HyperX Cloud III gaming headset offers wide compatibility with its 3.5mm jack, working easily with PC, PS5, Xbox controllers, and more. It also includes USB Type-A and Type-C support for laptops, Macs, and modern setups. Even Type-C devices like the iPhone 15 Pro are supported, making it a highly versatile headset for gaming and everyday use across multiple platforms. Smart features? Delivers rich, detailed sound with deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs for an immersive gaming experience. The 53mm drivers enhance in-game audio, letting you hear footsteps, explosions, and every detail with precision. Creates immersive 3D surround sound for accurate in-game positioning and awareness. Enhances directional audio, helping you detect footsteps and movements with greater precision. Captures your voice with clarity while reducing background noise for better communication. Ensures your teammates hear you clearly during intense gaming sessions and calls. Soft memory foam ear cushions provide a snug and comfortable fit for long gaming sessions. Reduces pressure on ears and head, ensuring all-day comfort without fatigue. Strong metal frame design ensures long-lasting durability and resistance to daily wear and tear. Built to handle intense gaming sessions while maintaining flexibility and a premium feel. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the HyperX Cloud III gaming headset from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your HyperX Cloud III gaming headset. See you at the next one.